Hi everyone. So here is a simple custom quiz slide I built in Storyline 360. Watch what happened when I click the wrong answer. No next button, just a retry button. So the learner stays on the sixth slide until they get to it the right answer. Now when I'm going to pick the correct answer, okay, I get the next button and I can move to forward to the next question. So let's see why we have used this approach. It's basically on the solid instruction design Gagné fifth event. That means the learner should be provided immediate feedback to avoid any confusion. It helps reduce confusion and it reinforces learning. Now let's see how we have done this. So here if you could see, there are four options right here and these are simple shapes with which each the triggers are attached. So the wrong answer shows the incorrect layer with the retry button as we have seen earlier. This is the wrong answer layer. And whenever a learner clicks on the correct answer, the correct answer layer will show. So for each layer to be shown, we have attached different type of triggers. So these are the incorrect option. These three are the incorrect option. For all these three, we have attached this trigger. That means like what it say. Let's see. It's saying like show the layer. Which layer? The wrong answer layer. When the user clicks on rectangle 3, this one is a rectangle 3, and that's it. So similarly to each wrong answer, we have given this trigger. While for the correct answer, a different trigger is there. Like show the correct answer layer, this layer, when the user clicks on this one, the rectangle 4. That's it. So here if you could see, there are no complex variable, just a smart use of layers and triggers. It actually ensures that learners stay focused and learn through trial and feedback. Try this trick in your next slide. It is clean, effective, and instructionally it's quite sounding. That's it. Thank you so much.